Once a lawyer went to a town of New Mullion to serve summons on a man named Oliver Lutkins. At the railway station, he met a cheerful guy. There, he shared the information that he was finding a Oliver Lutkins. The guy introduced him as Bill Magnusson. He was a hack driver. He decided to help the lawyer to find Oliver Lutkins. Then they both went out in search of Lutkins. They started their voyage and they first encountered Fritz's shop, which was very likely to be the Oliver's place for playing cards. They both retired the cart and Bill first went to ask Fritz whether he had seen Oliver or not. In response, Fritz told that Oliver has not come today, but he could be in Gustav's shop. So they went back to the cart and continued their journey. After Fritz's shop, they went to the Gustav's shop. At the Gustav's shop, Bill moved forward to ask for Oliver, but Gustav refused to have any information. Oliver has a much amount of due at Gustav's shop, so he must have gone to Gray's shop. Thinking this, they both went to the Gray's shop and found that Oliver has left the place a few minutes ago. Probably he has gone to the pool room. So they went to the pool room but remained a few minutes late. They were behind the Bill but not able to catch him. The sun was high. Hunger met their stomach. The lawyer offered to go to the restaurant, but Bill refused the proposal, arguing about the poor quality of food they offer. In return, Bill asked the lawyer to have his wife's handmade quality food at a cheap price. The lawyer replied in affirmative. So, Bill went to take food at his house. After that, they both went to the Waits Hill where they both enjoyed the lunch and the green scenery around them. From the Waits Hill, they could see the green meadows, woods, and the whole town before their eyes. After resting for some hours, they climbed down to continue their journey again. At the way, they found that Lutkin has gone to his mother's farmhouse. So they both moved toward his mother's farmhouse. There, they encountered a 9 feet tall and 4 feet wide lady. Again, Bill moved forward to ask about Oliver, and when his mother refused to have any information about him, Bill, in anger, demanded to check the whole house. In response, his mother went into the kitchen and fetched out an iron rod for the treatment of both. They both frightened and stepped back, and his mother grew out in laughter. They then checked the whole house and found nothing, as it was the time for the lawyer to return. They moved towards the railway station. Being delighted, the lawyer thought of making the place New Mullion as his workplace. But next day, he arrived again with his friend who knew Lutkins. As they stepped down from the train, they encountered both the hack driver and the Lutkins' mother together, friendly talking and laughing. The lawyer applauded for the help of hack driver to find Lutkins to his friend, and his friend agreed him, saying that he himself is driver Lutkins. At last, they requested him to go with them to a neighbor's house for a cup of tea. as they were the only people in New Million to see him the last day. The end.